What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Tudo Kitchen. Today we're gonna be whipping up one of my most effective and long-lasting love potions out there. We're making a perfectly cooked cast iron ribeye steak, so let's just get to it. Let's start off this recipe by generously seasoning our room temperature ribeye steak with some salt, some coarse black pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. While we do this, we're gonna make sure we get our cast iron pan nice and hot. Now we're gonna add our vegetable oil in there. If you don't have any veggie oil, please use some canola oil or some corn oil, but for this recipe, guys, please stay away from the olive oil. It just won't work for it. Now let's go ahead and add our ribeye steak in there, seasoning side down, and we're just gonna let that sit for a bit. Let it sizzle, let it start to really sear and build a nice crust on the bottom. Now we're gonna generously season the top. I'll make sure I put the full measurement for the seasoning blend in the description below. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and just move our oil around, just help with the searing process. Now we're gonna just go ahead and flip our steak. As you can see, it's nice and perfectly seared on top. So I'm just gonna, again, just let the oil move around and help to cook the sides and the bottom a bit. Because I have an uneven electric stove, I like to use this technique, which kind of really helps cook the sides and the bottom way easier. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add a half a stick of butter in there. And I'm gonna just let that turn into a nice brown butter. While we do that, we're gonna go ahead and smash about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Just go ahead and throw that in there. All right, now I'm gonna also add some fresh herbs. I decided to use some rosemary and fresh thyme. You use whatever you'd like, but I'm using those. Now just go ahead and flip it as I've done. And as you can see, it's a perfect sear on the bottom side as well. And I'm just letting my herbs to continue to infuse in the brown butter. So we can start butter basting it. I like to put my herbs on top and my garlic if you can, but just go ahead and butter baste it this way, guys. Doing it this way should get you pretty much a really decent medium steak. Now if you don't want to do it medium and you want well done, just probably throw it in the oven for a little bit, or you can constantly keep flipping it until it's a little bit more done to your liking. After you reach your desired doneness, go ahead and take it out the pan and take your pan off the flame. Now we're gonna just go ahead and let our steak rest for about 5 to 7 minutes before cutting. As you can see, there's the grain, but we're gonna cut against that. And there we go, guys. Cutting right into a nice, beautiful, medium piece of steak. And when I say this is delicious and it smells amazing, oh, I'm not lying. Look at that. Now, steak goes well with some nice red wine, whatever you want to do. But hope you guys enjoy. Make this for somebody you love. Eat up. Cheers, guys. Peace.